Hi everyone, welcome in today's conversation. So today we have Shirley Tan. She is a CMO at Etiqa Insurance Singapore. Shirley is having 20 plus years of experience in the industry and has acquired extensive experience in the areas of life, health, and group insurance. We welcome you, Shirley. How are you doing today?
I'm good, Koma. Hi. Thank you for inviting me today.
Yeah, you're most welcome. So, Shirley, this is my second instance, taking your interview. And
Yes.
yeah, so once I got your profile, for the interview, I was like, oh, wow, I know Shirley. And, I was so excited to go for it for the second round. I hope it same applies to you also.
Same.
Awesome. So, because I have already had a conversation with you, and that time we had a conversation, it was a very personal kind of conversation, right? For your motherhood.
Yes.
So
Mm-hmm.
we celebrated the motherhood side. Now is the time, right, to see your professional side of you, because I know you are doing very well, and Etika, I personally follow in detail. So Etikas, I'm sure a lot of a lot of things are happening in marketing side. Etikas is coming a lot of campaign. So recently you have launched a new campaign with you for the ride. Uh, it sounds very interesting, but for me also, it was a question mark. Oh wow, what is that? With you the ride. So when I thought, let you are the perfect person, to know more about it. So over to you, Shirley. Could you please give us a brief overview of Etica's new insurance, which we already mentioned, and what inspired this initiative?
Right. Okay, so there's actually a lot of uncertainties in the past years, especially during and after pandemic, right? From COVID-19 lockdowns to the rising of cost of livings. We're seeing a bit of a negativity in the world today. So rather than focusing on the negative, we wanted to reframe how people view their life's journey as an adventure with many events that can be minor, can be major, can be anticipated or unexpected. And this campaign was inspired by our belief that life should be lived unlimited. After all, life is short, right? Many people, especially the young generations, are increasingly focused on making the most of their lives and cherishing experiences. So this mindset encourage a greater emphasis on experience, on personal growth, and on meaningful connections. And it is really essential to embrace moments that matter most to us. For Etica's campaign with you for the ride, we encourage customers to do the same. No matter where they are in their life journey, life is always full of twists and turns. So we wanted to be standing by our customers through these moments whenever they are in their life journey. And we want to offer that unwavering support. We want to emphasize on living life to the fullest with the support that you need.
Nice, right? So, after listening to you about with you for the right campaign, it is like very emotion-driven approach you have taken, right? So, uh,
Yes.
since Etika has moved from fear-based marketing to more of emotion driven approach, so what led to this strategic shift?
Right. The traditional fear-based insurance marketing techniques actually have lost its effectiveness today for two main reasons. Number one, there is increased awareness of insurance, and people are generally more informed of its benefits, and they are not really easily persuaded by fear.
Yeah.
And number two, modern customers, especially the younger generations, they are more responsive to positivity. They prefer uplifting messages. In fact, I think you would agree with me that they are becoming somewhat fearless. Hence, fear message, which focus on highlighting potential risks and fears, while they are important, did not always resonate positively with young audience. Hence, we have taken an emotion-driven approach. Our message focus on positive emotion, such as feeling secure and sufficient. And this makes customers feel that they are cared for and they are valued. And it allows us to build trust with them in the long term. Insurance is a fundamental pillar of support. It enables people to pursue their dreams and safeguard their loved ones and assets. It is like a parachute you carry throughout your life. You hope you never use it, yet it allows you to remain safe while pursuing your dreams. We wanted our marketing efforts to reflect these positive and empowering aspects of insurance to inspire and motivate. Our With You for the Right campaign emphasized on partnership and trust rather than fear. This transition aligns to our aspiration to build genuine, lasting relationships with our customers and being a trusted companion throughout their life journeys.
True, nice, nice. This is very good, thing you just have mentioned that young generation is becoming very fearless. So, as I understand, Shirley, lot of data, you might have gathered to make a campaign successful. So when it comes to marketing and you have done a lot of findings to your recent financial fitness survey. I was just going through that survey to inform your marketing initiatives, right? So tell us more about it because it sounds very interesting that you're taking data driven and have used the approach of financial fitness survey. So how all of this goes about it?
Right, so our recent financial fitness survey has provided us with valuable insights into the concerns and priorities of young Singaporeans. Here we find that pursuit for living life to the fullest seems to hold as much importance as the goal to accumulate assets. Our survey also revealed that a third of Gen Zs and millennials do not feel confident to make sound financial decisions in the time of economic stress. So armed with this finding, our With You for the Right campaign goes out to encourage people to embrace life's diverse possibilities and to find excitement in unexpected journeys while being supported and protected by our insurance offerings. We will also customize content and provide resources to help them build emergency funds and long-term savings. Our data-driven approach enables us to connect with our customer on a more personal level. We want to address specific challenges and aspirations.
Awesome, awesome. So you just mentioned that you are giving a personal, humanized touch through this campaign. So let's go more deeper into it. How does this campaign aim to humanize insurance and make it more relatable to the average Singaporean?
Yeah, so With You for the Right campaign, you see that we move away from portraying insurance as something that you should get because you are fearful. Instead, we present insurance as a vital companion of life's journey, and it empowers you to pursue your goals and your dreams. If you have looked at our brand video, right, it illustrates events and emotions that Singaporeans experience in their everyday life, from diving into the world of 20s, winning and learnings in 30s, building families in the 40s. These are relatable stories of pursuing dreams, embracing unexpected adventures, and it showcases how insurance is closely related to life's experiences, and Etiqa can be a trusted partner to support customers regardless of age and circumstances. And this human touch creates a sense of connection and trust, and making insurance a relatable aspect of life rather than a distant financial consideration.
Yeah, Shirley, that's true. You just mentioned, the value of trust. You just mentioned the trust and transparency. Uh, what is what is the value of trust and transparency in the insurance company? Could you elaborate on how Etiqa is built, is working to build that trust?
Sure. We don't just sell insurance, we want to build long-lasting relationships with customers because we believe in being there not only when you need coverage, right? But we are there as a trusted partner who knows your evolving needs, who can support you through life's twists and turns. So we put in a lot of focus in transparency to build trust. For example, number one, we have clear communications. Insurance, as you know, there's a lot of jargons, right? So when we communicate, we want to use easy language to inform customer about our products, services, and coverage. and so that customer can fully understand them before they even purchase. The second part is to personalize the details. So every customer's needs are unique. So we want to work towards providing tailored solutions to them, and demonstrate our commitment to their well-being rather than offering generic solutions. And thirdly, we also are transparent in our process, from claims to policy terms, and this ensures that our customers are aware of the steps involved and have clarity to the various stages. Our policy contract, in fact, is readily available online, so customer can actually read them before they sign up a product with us.
Wow, I think by talking to you, it is because I, as an individual, think about insurance. There are a lot of hidden things also, when you are going to uh, take the insurance, touch wood, it doesn't happen. But there are a lot of things, pointers, which are not being mentioned before, when we take the insurance. But you just mentioned that, you are building toward trust and you have made everything online. So people can just read and they are well aware beforehand, which is amazing,
Yeah.
the Etiqa is doing. I want to understand more about this campaign, how this campaign is aligned with Etiqa's overall customer-centric approach, because we are talking a lot about customers approach, right? You are doing everything as per the customers thinking, like online agreements, trust, and all that. So can you elaborate more about it? How does it align to the customer-centric?
Right. So in this campaign, right, we incorporate certain key elements to ensure that customers' first approach is being used. So we use relatable key visuals and narratives to connect us with the customers. We also apply research as we speak, with the research results to understand our audience needs and pain points. Um, and then we also have customer-centric content. So we will curate content that educates, entertains, or even solve their challenges rather than focusing only on selling. And we provide solutions to address customers' pain points and challenges with our products and services. At the same time, we also want to seek customers' feedback, and this will enable us to improve on our services and showcase our dedication to enhance their experience. In fact, customers can reach our leadership team to provide feedback, whether it is positive or negative experience.
Wow, amazing. So you just mentioned feedback. So any interesting feedback from customers you would like to share with us?
The campaign is launched not too long ago. So I just wanted to reach out to audience in a different way, right? So the campaign, in terms of the for positivity, partnership, and embracing life adventures, has actually resonated well with the customers. And we have received quite encouraging feedbacks from our partners as well as some customers as well. So overall, the feedback has been aligned to our goals, to make insurance accessible, to build trust, and foster meaningful connections.
Awesome. So, how has the initial reception been for you with this campaign, with you for the right? So, anything you want to share with us? The initial reception being with you.
I think we wanted to just look beyond doing business transaction, right? We wanted to, again, I just keep on emphasizing that we want to embark on a journey of partnership, trust, shared experience. And we are redefining this insurance experience, and we hope customer will remember that we are with you for the right to explore life's possibilities together. So our commitment is to empower Singaporeans to live lives to the fullest, with the knowledge that they can depend on us.
Awesome. Shirley, after talking about this campaign, I'm sure this campaign is hit. This campaign is hit for sure. And because you are using trust and you are always thinking customer point of view, right? So I'm sure, can we expect more campaigns like this from Etiqa in the near future? I'm sure lot more is coming.
Absolutely. Absolutely. We will continue to create more campaigns to emphasize living unlimited. Aspire customer to look beyond what they can do. They just go for it. Each campaign will continue to encapsulate Etiqa's dedication to being a steadfast partners on life journey. We want to be with customers together to walk with them in their life journeys and navigate their uncertainties.
Yeah, and I'll be keep watching for that space for more campaigns, and will definitely bother you for more interviews, if because our audience are, they want to know more about, what campaign is it all about in detail, and I'm sure, they might be get a lot of help from these kind of conversations. So Shirley, finally, what message would you like to leave our audience with regard Etiqa's new direction and what it means for them?
I think my final message would be that we just want to encourage customers to really live a fullest life and be trying different things, different adventures, but at the same time carry their parachute so that in case they need it, they can open and be safe, and Etiqa will be with you.
Awesome. I'm sure Etiquettes will be there for everyone for sure. And parachute, everyone is carrying with them, I'm sure. Thank you so much, Shirley. Thank you so much, Shirley, for today's conversation. And I really enjoyed it always to talk to you. And with this campaign, all the best to you and your team. I'm sure all the coming campaigns will be hit like this campaign. Uh, I know you already gave the last message, but any more thing you would like to add on, feel free if you want to add on something.
I think it's good. I mean, if you have seen our message, give us a like.
Yeah, sure. That good one, huh? That's a good one. Thank you so much, Shirley, for joining us
Thank
and
you. Thank
giving
you for
us your
inviting me.
yeah, giving us your valuable time. I hope you have a good day.
Thank you, Kamal.